When disassembling an office chair, you may not know where to start or how to disassemble certain parts without breaking them. In today's video, I'm going to show you certain tips and tricks along with how to disassemble specific parts of your office chair. Hi, I'm Taylor with BTOD.com. All chairs are different and require different disassembly instructions. If you haven't already, be sure to watch our 6 things to consider before disassembling your office chair. Before we get into the disassembly, there are some tips and tricks to help you through the process. These will all help ensure that you don't damage or lose any parts of your chair. Put all small parts you remove into a sealed bag and keep it with the chair so you don't lose them. Applying duct tape to the teeth of your pipe wrench can help prevent scratches. If you find that you can't get enough grip on the cylinder, you will have to remove the tape. Protect the surface you're disassembling the chair on. Use an old blanket or discarded cardboard. This helps protect not only the chair, but your surfaces. If you're having difficulty knowing how to disassemble your chair, reference the assembly instructions. You can usually find them online depending on the manufacturer. To prevent malfunction, never disassemble your mechanism. Use a rubber mallet to remove the cylinder from the base. If it isn't coming out, tap the sides of the cylinder to help loosen it from the base. No matter what reason you have for disassembling your office chair, you must be careful so that you don't damage your chair. As previously stated, follow the original assembly instructions if your chair came with any. To help you with disassembling your office chair, I will go through each part and demonstrate the general disassembly instructions. Note that some chairs, you may not be able to remove certain parts if they came already attached to the frame. Most headrests on office chairs are attached with a few bolts. To remove the headrest from your chair, first see if you need to remove a cover plate or tabs. Once those are removed, using a screwdriver or Allen wrench, remove all bolts from the headrest. After the headrest is removed, place the cover plate or tabs back onto the chair. Don't forget to put all small, loose parts into a bag for safekeeping. For most office chairs, you should be able to easily remove the backrest by removing the bolts at the back of the chair. Some office chairs you will not be able to remove the backrest because it is attached to the frame, such as the steel case leap. To remove the backrest, use an Allen wrench or screwdriver to remove the bolts underneath the chair that are holding the backrest in place. Once all screws and/or washers are removed from the chair, place them into a bag so you don't lose them and keep them with the chair. Armrests only need to be removed if absolutely necessary. Armrests can contain multiple parts, so it is best to remember the order in which you're removing them from the chair. Start by removing the bolts from the chair with an Allen wrench or screwdriver. Then remove any washers or plates. Place all hardware in a bag and keep it with the chair. Some chairs you can easily remove the armrest by pulling out on the slot underneath the chair while activating the adjustment lever. Before removing the cylinder from your chair, remember that it can be easily damaged when you're trying to remove it. To remove the cylinder, you'll need a large pipe wrench. Before you start, be sure to protect your table's surface and the floor. Using the pipe wrench, clamp down on the cylinder near the bottom of the mechanism. Once tight to the cylinder, turn the pipe wrench a quarter turn or until it comes loose. Cylinders do not screw on, so loosen it until you can pull it from the mechanism. To remove the cylinder from the base, you'll need to use a rubber mallet. Turn the base upside down. Don't forget to protect your surface and floor. Stand back so the cylinder doesn't hit your feet. Use the rubber mallet to dislodge the cylinder from the base. Tap the sides of the cylinder if it gets really stuck. Most casters on office chairs are just popped into the base. You shouldn't have to remove the casters on your chair unless it's for a replacement or a return. To remove the casters, place the base upside down with the casters facing up. Pull up on the casters to remove them. Disassembling an office chair can have its challenges, but always remember to handle your chair with care. If you follow the things to consider, tips, and all the guidelines to disassemble your office chair, you will be equipped with all of the knowledge that you need. We hope that all of these tips and examples help you with disassembling your office chair. If you do have further questions, reach out to the manufacturer for further guidance. We hope that all of these tips and examples help you with disassembling your office chair. If you do have further questions, reach out to the manufacturer for further guidance. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.